Hey, what's up, Step by Step fam? Hey, today I'm going to show you a really cool way to grow your food indoors all year round. Now, once you watch this video, please watch it to the end, and if you feel like you have any questions about it, please put it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also, click the notification bell so that you can be updated with every video that we put out. I have provided a link down below to check out my website. Now, we are an affiliate with Tower Garden Juice Plus, so if you do decide that you would like to purchase, we do get a small commission, and that only goes towards supporting the channel. It is not necessary that you go through our channel. However, we do appreciate the support. Thanks again. To show you all a very quick system that I'm using. Is called Tower Garden by Juice Plus, and it is an alternative to growing food indoors year-round actually. And I'm going to be doing later videos on this, but I just want to show you all really quick what I've got. Okay, so this is my indoor. It's about maybe a little less than 5 feet high. It has 20 spaces where you could put plants. So I have some lettuces growing. I have some other lettuces. I've got some Swiss chard. And let's see, here's some collards. And then I'm trying to grow some cabbage. And I'm also in the process of trying to grow some cilantro, and I want to try a zucchini to see how that works. This system, you can grow, like I said, whatever you want year-round. The only thing that it does not work is with root vegetables. So like carrots, onions, garlic, beet, anything that is a root. It does not work for that. But I just want to keep you guys posted and let you know I definitely will be putting more videos out as I go along. Hey everybody, welcome back. I wanted to give you an additional update on how my plants are doing with the Tower Garden by Juice Plus. So as you all can see probably from the last time, the plants are really growing. They're popping, which is really nice. Okay, but I did want to show you all something as well. So when I came in here today, I noticed that some of my leaves were looking a little discolored. I don't know if you all can see in the video, but there's like some light coloring on the leaves. Here's right here, you can kind of see where it's a little discolored. Also with some of my other lettuces, you can start to see, you can see some of the leaves are turning a little yellow. That is an indication that your pH is off a little bit. See that? So it really should be like a really dark, deep green like that. So whenever you start to see your leaves start to turn a little discolored, that is an indication that you need to definitely check your pH. And so when I came in, it was low, so it should be between 5.5 and 6.5, and I think it was down to like 4.7, 4.9. So you want to make sure that you catch it ahead, and always check your pH. Actually, you should check it every 2 days. I just hadn't got to it for a few days, so because of my schedule. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all. Let me do a little walk around here. I've got some little plants that's starting to pop out, so I'll just keep you guys updated with how they go. Thanks.